name is Sirisha. Today I am going to brief you first trimester nutritional needs. First trimester in the sense first 3 months of pregnancy. During this period, mainly micronutrients plays a major role, just like a folic acid, calcium, iron and zinc. Folic acid is really essential for brain and spine development of the fetus, and it also prevents neural tube defects of the fetus. And calcium is going to be taking care of you and your baby bone strength. Iron is going to be increase your blood volume. And zinc is reduces the risk of preterm birth. So whenever you are taking the nutrients, remind all these things and try to have. So what you have to do is incorporate all these nutrients like pulses, whole grains, cereals, legumes, milk products, vegetables and fruits. Take an example of cereals and whole grains. Cereals and whole grains contains a good amount of calories and fiber. So try to take a minimum 5 to 6 servings in a day. And pulses or legumes are a good sources of protein. Whenever you are consuming pulses and legumes, combine with some cereal, because this combination is enhance the protein quality. So try to take a minimum 3 to 4 servings of pulses and legumes in a day. Milk and milk products. Milk and milk products are a really good sources of protein and calcium. This calcium and protein is going to help to a fetus development. So try to take a minimum 2 to 3 servings in a day. Fruits and vegetables are good sources of micronutrients and antioxidants. So try to take a minimum 2 to 3 servings of fruits and vegetables in a day. So using all these nutrients, fetus starts developing. Finally, I want to add some more points to this topic. Start maintaining a good fluid intake, at least 3 to 4 liters throughout the day. It can be water or milk, juice, coconut water, anything is fine. But you have to take a minimum 3 to 4 liters of fluid intake in a day. That is mandatory. During the first trimester, do not expect more than 2 kgs of body gain. Why? Because during this time, body starts adjusting itself. So expect more than 2 kgs. It's not going to be more than 2 kgs, less than 2 kgs only. Increases urination, constipation, morning sickness like vomiting, nausea are very common symptoms during the first trimester. This may be varies to a to person, but these all symptoms are very common. So try to avoid morning sickness like nausea and vomiting. Just take some semi-solids food items during the morning times. It really good works. Whenever you are taking food, do not take for two. Try to take nutrient dense food items. Remember, what you are taking, that goes to the baby. So before taking the food, think and start eating. Try to limit your intake of refined carbs and sugars. It is not good at this moment. So please avoid refined carbs and sugars. Do not opt for raw food items. Try to take properly boiled food items only. Why? Because raw food items contain harmful bacteria like Listeria, Salmonella. These bacteria are not good for health. Make sure whatever you're eating and drinking, that is not too hot or not too cool. And if you're working or planning to travel nearby places, then please pack some homemade snacks or some fruits. And do not fast for more than 3 hours. That is not really good for you and your baby growth. So try to take a small and frequent meals. That's really good. Try to avoid deep fried food items, too much of ghee, spicy, junk food items in your routine intake. Avoid late night dinner with a high fat containing food items. Try to have early dinner. If you're having a early dinner, you might be feel hungry during the night time. At that time, try to take some fruits or milk or some kind of a curd. These kind of food is fine. Maintain a good sleep cycle like 8 to 9 hours. It really boosts your immune system. Start maintaining healthy habits like taking medicines on time. If you're busy in schedules, please set an alarm. Nowadays, phone is becoming a part of life. So you can put some reminder alarm on phone. So set an alarm and take a medicine on time. Please take a proper diet and get a healthy baby. All the best. Thank you.